I'll start off with the VermiBag Minimist today. It's been 8 weeks since we got started with it. Been feeding pumpkin. Let's see what else. Got some sprouts. We fed in the corners last week, but let's see what's left of this. There's still some worms in there. Check these corners out.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Alright, and we're back. Just a little bit there. A little bit of pumpkin left, not much. Handful of worms. Yeah, about the same. About gone, so we're definitely gonna have to add some pumpkin this week. There's a decent amount on that pumpkin. Bunch of seeds, those will be sprouting. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the castings that are down below. I'm just going to mix all this up real good. Give it a little fluff. Add a little castings in there. I'm going to grab some pumpkin. But first, let's check out Worm Factory 360. If my calculations are correct, it's been 1 year and 24 weeks. This is our very first system. This top tray, we've got coffee grounds, shredded cardboard, and it is really dry. So I'm gonna have to add some water to that. No worms. Tray number 2, some sprouts from some pumpkin. Let's see if we got any worms left. Not many. And it's a little dry as well. Just a few worms. Tray number 3. That's where all of our worms are at. There's not much food left in it either. But there's worms. Tray number 4, which is mainly castings or vermicompost. Still got a few worms. Underneath's pretty dry. A few worms on the worm ladder.
Take a quick peek at the breeder tray.
Quite a few. Alright, on top. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, there's still some pumpkin. I was hoping to find a cocoon or 3 or 4. Well, we got plenty of worms. I think there's about 600 in here. They're all pretty good size. Big difference in the mortar tray versus the other systems. They just get big in that mortar tray. I don't know. Good looking red wigless. There's a cocoon. Let's just turn the camera off. Thought there's another one there. They making babies. And the bin with the big pumpkin stems. I'll check them out. Get a few comments about the big pumpkin stems. This one here has been eaten on or deteriorated. I mean, there's a worm in it right there. I think you'd see some cocoons. Nope. Alright. And stem number 2, a few worms on. There's several actually. I feel it's starting to get a little weak. And number 3, it's pretty solid. Alright, just a quick little update. Thanks for hanging out with me on Red Wiggler Wednesday. Hit that thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.